basijja bandama mukamba ngende saba
Hima Town Council nemwe aha myanya erukukira kubamu okuliitana kw'amaani omu Karuuru omu district ya Kasese obuhati abantu barikwingana bashatu baherize kweyoreka ko barikwesimba ha ntebe egyo harimu omukyara Hilda Mate, omwami Hape Christopher hamwe n'omwami Jime. Akavuyo kaherize kweyoreka kakubaasa kwija kurebeka omu Karuuru aka obwo alipota zirikworeka ko hatandikire kubaho okuryana amasenene. Nobukirabe kirisityo mukuru w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu aha district yaherize kuba naraburangu hatagira ukatanda akareta akavuyo Akaruuru kasigare karya k'obuteeka hamwe n'okushemera. Bona abesimbere aha ntebe egi obwe buri omwe arikwegamba marungi okwarkwija kora hanshonga ezirikushasha abakyara eminyeto ebyamagara hamwe n'ebyobwegese omuri Hima Town Council.
A health center 3 which we are requesting the Ministry of Health and Government of Uganda to upgrade it to health center 4. We are together with the Hima Cement promised to construct for us a theater as a corporate social responsibility to the community of Hima Town Council.
Happy with today's rallies because of one thing or two. Because we are 3 in race, but there is a challenge with one of our opponents, and that is other than the incumbent that is mobilizing actually the community member and especially the other side to not allow us to talk to our people.
So many things the youth are not catered for, the women are not catered for. We are asking ourselves really, what's wrong with our leadership in Hima? That's why I'm coming in to make sure that I also give in a hand.
Ababona nibahaya kubarkwija kugumyaho Akaruuru akoburyo n'oburinganiza barukushaba abashagiki babo okusigara baryabo businge kandi abagumisiriza okusyobukarahwe.
That we are really requesting that the Ministry of Education should take up the school so that we have a government aided or a government aided secondary school, because it is by procedure that every town council is supposed to have one government aided secondary school. So with other many issues that we have addressed, and more especially, people always say they don't eat peace. But I've seen there is nothing you can do without peace.
Now let's be patient. We have people, whereas the other side they are using that kind of arrogancy, and maybe they want to fight us. But we shall not stop at that. We must pass around actually the whole Hima Town Council, because this is the first day, and I don't think he will stop in other areas.
There should be equal representation for every cell. Then our wives go very far for maternity and whatever. We need this health center to be upgraded to a health center 4.
Omwaka gw'2021 Akaruuru akateirwe Hilda Mate akakahuta buboga obwo arukweyerera emyanya yone yaterirwa Akaruuru omuri Hima Town Council obwo hati ejo myanya niyo agarukire kusimbamwa amakanda arukushaba batezi b'Akaruuru kubekiminteriza munonga no kubabegendesereza akutorana kwabo.
We still have a challenge of a drainage system. As Kasese district, you all very well know that we are always affected by floods, more especially during the rainy seasons. And Hima is part of the town councils that is always affected. So we are trying to see that in the next 5 years, with the help of the government, with the help of the NRM government, that we are going to work on the drainage system in Hima Town Council.
NRM office, it is their mandate to talk to those, especially to call us, the leaders who are planning to really to lead Hima, so that we can have a peaceful mobilization and we share with our people for the betterness of our tomorrow.
Obwakaruuru k'ekibiina kya NRM akabara kwate bendera kirire heihi Amisho gona gari ahari Hima Town Council district ya Kasese omwanya ogutwirwe nugurebwamu ko gwempinda hinduka ebyo butegechi na nokuzarwa gati ya district ya Kasese.